wheel off full rear shock on the Impreza. You can see it's the exact same on the STI. This all just bolts in. The rear will be pretty easy. Just gotta bolt down here, and then you just gotta take out some of the interior to get the top hat bolts. But pretty straightforward. As you can see, you got the shock out. I just had to take off this little control arm bolt. I couldn't get it all the way out. It hits one of the arms here, but just enough that I can move it a bit and get it out. I'll just show you the height difference. This is STI, that's Impreza. So about like 10 mils difference. So yeah, let's throw this back in. STI shock is in. Torque these two bolts. Everything fits nicely. Same thing up top here. Top head bolts right in. So you can definitely confirm that the rear is 100% bolt in. Okay, moving on to the front suspension. This is the 2011 STI, and a little bit different. You need to get a 2010 WRX strut for it. The biggest and the main difference is because the 5x114 hub, they don't match up with the 5x100 hubs, where the two big bolts that go onto the hub, the strut to the hub. You see the size difference here. A bit more spaced out, so just gotta take these springs and top hat off and put it on this shock, and then our strut and then bolt it into the car. The other little things we're going to do to this Impreza is we're going to get rid of this chrome grille. I found a 2011 Impreza grille, and actually I'm going to paint this silver part black, and then for the high beams we're going to put in these hella yellow lights, which I think will look pretty cool in there. So I took the grill insert out, painted it black, and then just used an effect clear coat on it. It'll look pretty slick. Put the bumper and the grill back on. I did oil change too, just topping it up. Looks pretty good. There are the yellow high beams. Look pretty cool. On that side again. This is the stock Impreza. Bouncy. Okay, that's gonna go around to the side. We put the STI, the WRX STI hybrid front suspension. Oh my god, you can't even move it. Sweet. Feels better already? How stiff is it?
Pretty stiff.
Awesome.
Bounce.
We'll do the tire pressures and then go for a ride.
Correct. Way better with the front.
I'm a cinematographist.